There is another tool called OptQuest in Arena. So actually other simulation software also provide this OptQuest this kind of software. Okay, so OptQuest actually help you to do the simulation-based optimization. So based on the given range, actually, you will identify the best optimum solution. So let's identify the input control minimizing total cost while the percentage of rejected call is less than 5%. And here is the objective function. And then in order to solve the optimization problem, you need to have an optimum optimization model, right? So we want to minimize this total cost while with this constraint. So this constraint line should be between 26 to 29, and then sales step should be between 1 and 3, and tech 1 step should be between 1 and 3, and so on. Okay, now these are the constraints on the input control variables, and we also have one more constraint. So percent rejected call should be less than equal to 5%. Okay, right. So in OptQuest, actually, you can find the optimum solution. So under the given this constraint, and basically it will run the simulation model under the different setting or different solution set. Okay. So and then after the optimization, it will identify the best solution. Okay. So input information for OptQuest is like this: specify constraint on input controls and specify the requirement on your output, and specify the stopping criterion for search. So because especially you need to specify the third option, so you need to specify the stopping condition for the optimization. If there is no enhancement, you should make the optimization stop. Okay, right. So tools. If you go to the tools and the OptQuest for Arena, and then basically you can use the OptQuest, open the OptQuest, all right? And then definitely you can select the controls such as variables and resource levels, okay, to generate the constraint in OptQuest. So we have multiple resources such as trunk line, and there is upper bound, lower bound, and also step size. So step size is 1, right? Because we are looking at the number of trunk line, so it should be integer, and number of steps should be the same, it should be integer. Okay, and responses, if you go to the responses, and then you can choose the responses like a process analyzer, and just choose the percent rejected and total cost. And also if you go to constraint, and you can say that percent rejected should be less than equal to 5%. Okay, so in this window, this is a overview of the OptQuest. So if you choose, so using this menu, Editor Explorer, you can add the constraint and specify the responses and also the objective function. Okay, and then definitely our objective is to minimize total cost, and then you can specify the stopping rule, okay, using this window. And like also stop option can be number of simulations, manual stop, automatic stop, and tolerance. Also you can use a tolerance, and then replication per simulation. You can set up the replication per simulation, right? Because in order to get the statistical result for each scenario, you may want to have multiple applications. So under this setting, and once you are ready, and then you can actually run the OptQuest until you find the optimum solution. And then I will provide a tutorial so you can actually develop the OptQuest model from your simulation model, and then identity, and then you can submit your best solution to me so that I can evaluate your assignment. Okay, thank you.